HMS Warrior, the ship that made every other navy obsolete. Launched in 1860, Warrior was the first Royal Navy ironclad, combining sail and steam together, armed with 40 guns and 4.5-inch iron armor over teak. Warrior was virtually unstoppable. With a top speed of 40 knots and faster undersail, she was the fastest and most powerful warship in the world. Her arrival forced every other major navy to reconsider their ship design, and the age of wooden ships was over. HMS Warrior was the ship that changed naval combat forever.